play string number 4 in the B key of B. Play string number 4, 9th fret. Okay, that's a B note. Play 3rd string, 9th fret. So that is string number 3. That is string number 3. Now string number 3, 9th fret. That is string number 3, 8th fret. String number 3, 9th fret, and then string number 2, 7th fret. So, and then move to key of A, do the same thing, and then go back. Are we together? Alright, so let us finish up. So you have all that. Okay, so the next steps, hizo steps zingine ni rahisi sana. So after knowing all that, you can just come here and play. This one, you just do it like this. Watch, I'll not explain this part, just watch. Are you seeing that technique? Original note. Then repeat the same thing in the key of A. Then have you gotten it? So watch this one. Pluck, release, pluck. Okay, pluck, release, pluck, pluck. Pick, release, pick, pick. Repeat the same thing here. Pick, release, pick, pick. Pick, release, pick, pick. When you release, you do a pull off. Okay, so guys, this is how it sounds, and then we end this part. That is how it sounds. So guys, just put everything together and see what you've come up with. Meanwhile, I'm going to put the Supa Mazembe for that song, Shauri Yako. Hizo settings are Shauri Yako. I'm going to put the Shauri Yako settings, pedal settings, in the description, plus the backing track, the one that you will use to practice the solo that I'm going to show you next. Okay, so in the description you will have the Supa Mazembe Shauri Yako effect pedals, effect settings, and the backing track. Okay guys, see you in the next video.